Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and welcome. So, when you guys last left me, I was supposedly taking the head off of the block right there. Well, as you can see, that didn't happen. And the reason why that didn't happen was because I stripped 2 head bolts. Why did I strip 2 head bolts? Well, we're going to discuss that today. This video isn't going to be that long. It's something that needs to be done. If you don't know the backstory, obviously I'm building this Genesis Coupe block for this Genesis Coupe because I've done it once before, but I'm really building this. But I called Hyundai, and Hyundai told me that the bolt, the tool was a T55 Torx. Torx, whatever it's called. So I double checked online. Everybody else is saying T55 as well. And so that's, sorry, they're carpet people installing carpet. Anyway, so that's where, so, you know, I went with the T55. Now I used the T55 before, but I just like to double check. And so that's what I was told. Well, one of you guys happened to watch the last video and said, nope, I rebuild these motors all the time, and it's not a T55. It's another tool. So, I want to thank you, English Rob. That was a big help. Thank you for telling me which tool. I'm actually going to tell you guys which tool it is, and I'm going to show you guys the difference. The tool is a triple square bit socket, and it's a 12 millimeter. I bought this at AutoZone. I'm so mad that I had to fly around and try to find that T55. So let me show you guys, let me show you guys the difference. Alright guys, so what I have here in my hand is the bolt for the head from my Genesis Coupe. Not sure how well you can see that, but this is a 12-point bolt. The T55 square, the T55 Torx that was recommended, as you can see here, is a 6-point bolt. It does work, you just have to be very careful with these. Again, I was told by 2 different Hyundai dealerships and looking online to use a T55 long. So that's what I did, which worked on 8 of the bolts except for 2. And basically what happened is, as you can see, there's no teeth left in there. There's no points. It's stripped out. I actually had to use a bolt extractor to get it off. English Rob said I needed a, this is a triple square bit socket, and it's a 12 millimeter. And this is actually what you should definitely use to get the bolts out of the head of a Hyundai Genesis Coupe 2.0. And it's a long, as you can see. He said get 3/8. This is a half, obviously, but it still will do the job. But again, this is a triple square bit socket, a 12 millimeter. These are actually more commonly known, used on Volkswagens, believe it or not. But I wish Hyundai would have known that. So let me just go downstairs and show you guys exactly what I'm dealing with. Alright guys, sorry it's getting dark outside, so let me just show you really quick what I'm dealing with. One of my neighbors happened to be walking by while I was drilling on one of the bolts, and because he said, oh, that's a good idea. And he actually works in a machine shop, and he's not sure if the bolt's actually going to come out, which sucks ass. Thank you, Hyundai. Thank you, Internet. I guess everything on the Internet's not always true. But let me show you exactly what I'm talking about here. And let's see what your opinion is. So, hold on. So I don't know how well you can see that. Let me see if we can put the phone down there. Nope, that's not going to work. But that bolt is pretty mangled, and around the sides here got a little bit mangled because of the drill bits. But the issue is the size of just the size of that hole, there's not much that fits down there. So I'm not exactly sure what to do. I have a couple of options, one of them being rather extreme. I haven't quite hit the extreme level yet. I'm getting really close. But I got to try a couple more things that he suggested. And then I may have to go the extreme route, which he also said, yeah, you might have to do that. So I'm not going to tell you guys what that is right now, but I just wanted to get this video out there because it is important. Because again, Hyundai dealership told me both Hyundai said T55 Torx bit, and fortunately you guys do watch the videos. And English Rob, again, thank you very much. I appreciate it. I appreciate all of you guys, especially you guys who are helping and things like that, because this isn't just my project, even though all the money's come out of my pocket. But you guys, I value you guys, all of your opinions and things like that. So remember, it is a triple square bit socket set, and you can actually get this at AutoZone. And remember, you need a 12 millimeter. So let me know what you guys think about everything that's going on. This project's gonna be so worth it when I'm done. But you know, you always run into snags here and there. So like, share, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. I appreciate it. You guys have been awesome lately with the comments and the likes. I think somebody disliked one of the videos, but it's okay because he said it was clickbait. It really wasn't clickbait because I was telling the truth. But whatever. No, I'm kidding. So anyway, like, share, comment, subscribe. And before I go, I do want to say, obviously we lost Kobe Bryant, his daughter, and 7 other people on the helicopter crash. I want to, you know, hope they all rest in peace. You know what? I'm going to dedicate this build to Kobe. I'm going to use that Mamba mentality and get this done. So normally I tell you guys, make no limitation your only limitation, but go with that Mamba mentality. Do what you got to do. You can do whatever you want. Peace.